Welcome to our video on how to stay motivated to exercise. It's no secret that exercising regularly is important for our overall health and well-being. However, it can be challenging to stay motivated and committed to our fitness goals, especially when life gets busy or we face obstacles. In this video, I'll share with you some tips and tricks on how to stay motivated to exercise, even when you don't feel like it. Number 1. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic and achievable goals is an important first step in staying motivated to exercise. Start by setting short-term goals, such as working out 3 times a week or running a mile without stopping. As you reach these goals, set new ones to continue challenging yourself and stay motivated. Number 2. Find an accountability partner. Having an accountability partner can help you stay motivated and committed to your fitness goals. This can be a friend, family member, or even a personal trainer. Set up regular check-ins or workout sessions together to hold each other accountable and provide support and encouragement. Number 3. Mix up your routine. Doing the same workout routine over and over can lead to boredom and lack of motivation. Mix up your routine by trying new exercises, signing up for a fitness class, or incorporating outdoor activities into your workout routine. This can help keep things fresh and exciting. Number 4. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself for reaching your fitness goals can help keep you motivated and on track. Set up rewards for reaching short-term and long-term goals, such as buying new workout gear or treating yourself to a massage. This can give you something to look forward to and help you stay motivated. Number 5. Create a playlist. Music can be a great motivator during exercise. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs to listen to during your workout. This can help you stay energized and focused on your fitness goals. Number 6. Focus on the benefits. Reminding yourself of the benefits of exercise can help you stay motivated. Regular exercise can improve your mood, reduce stress, increase energy, and improve overall health. Keep these benefits in mind when you're feeling unmotivated and remember why you started in the first place. Number 7. Schedule your workouts. Scheduling your workouts into your calendar can help you stay committed and motivated. Treat your workout like an important appointment and prioritize it in your schedule. This can help ensure that you make time for exercise even when life gets busy. Number 8. Take rest days. Rest days are an important part of any workout routine. Taking a day off from exercise can help prevent burnout and injury, and allow your body to recover. Don't feel guilty for taking a rest day, and remember that it's an important part of staying motivated in the long run. Number 9. Track your progress. Tracking your progress can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Use a fitness app or journal to track your workouts, set new goals, and celebrate your achievements. This can help keep you motivated and committed to your fitness journey. Number 10. Stay positive. Staying positive and optimistic can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or obstacles, and remember that progress takes time. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and focus on the positive changes that exercise is bringing to your life. Thank you for watching this video on how to stay motivated to exercise. Remember that staying motivated and committed to your fitness goals takes effort and dedication, but it's worth it in the end. Use these tips and tricks to help you stay motivated and on track, and remember to celebrate your achievements along the way. Stay positive, stay focused, and keep moving forward.